In a gated neighborhood southeast of the Denver metro on the rolling hills just north of the Black Forest is a stunning home waiting for you.
Hi, I'm Andrea Richardson with Osgood Team Real Estate, and I am so proud to present to you a listing nestled in the pines of Elizabeth, Colorado with incredible mountain views. Come take the tour.
Stepping inside through the door, your eye is drawn straight to the stunning gas fireplace with floor-to-ceiling stone veneer. The oversized windows bring the outside in, flooding the room with natural light. Step through the beautiful architectural archway to the eat-in kitchen. This is a gourmet kitchen dreams are made of. The huge island has seating for 3, plus a handy prep sink. The granite countertops, cherry cabinets, and travertine tile backsplash are straight out of a magazine. There's instant hot water, a pot filler over the gas cooktop, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. Step through the French doors to the deck and you'll feel like you're in the treetops. The mature landscaping and natural contour of the 9.5-acre property are so pretty you can't help but pause and breathe in the fresh air. The Trex deck never needs maintenance, and the wraparound deck has access from the master suite. There is plenty of room for furniture, fun, friends, and family. Back inside, gather around the table at the eat-in kitchen area. Down this hallway is a convenient half bath, main floor laundry, and access to the 3-car garage. The dining room has beautiful inlaid tile accent. The beautiful windows and custom coverings give you a great peekaboo view of the dramatic, snow-capped Colorado Rocky Mountains. Here's a large suite with a reading nook, 2 closets, and a private full bath. Step through the French doors to the huge master retreat. You'll never want to leave, as there's room for a sitting area to catch up on reading while keeping cozy by the beautiful, thermostatically controlled fireplace. Your ensuite is straight out of a high-end spa. Soak in the Air Technology soaking tub with its own deck and Italian-inspired columns with bay window views of the trees and mountaintops. The dual vanity has plenty of storage in the cherry cabinets. Step inside the mosaic tile shower with sprayer and overhead rain shower head. And to top it all off, a walk-in closet with built-in custom shelves, an island, and ironing center. The finished basement is ready for fun. This entertainment room has hickory hardwood floors and plenty of windows and glass French doors to enjoy the views all around. Grab a drink at the wet bar with the same quality cherry cabinets and tumbled travertine backsplash as upstairs. There's a convenient large half bathroom here too. Get ready for games and laughter anytime you want down here. This incredible, unique room is huge. There's commercial tile on the floor, 2 windows that flood the room with light, as well as a laundry sink. What would you use it for? This walkout basement has a concrete patio wired for a hot tub, dual hot water tanks, a well-made pressure tank, and oxyblast water filtration system make living in the country no problem at all. French doors on this room would make a great space for a study or den. Down the hall is a bedroom with plenty of built-in bookshelves. Cozy up with a book amid all the natural light. Or you could also use it as a private media room for movie nights. Next door is a full bathroom. Adjacent is a second bedroom down here. Just below the house is a separate 24 by 32 foot detached barn that has concrete floors and complete electrical service. There's a private pond, and horses are welcome in this exquisite gated neighborhood. There is no active HOA or dues, but the covenants are still in place. This home is one you need to experience yourself. To schedule your private showing, contact Andrea Richardson today.